Breed name, Beagle. Country of origin, Great Britain. Weight, 9.1 to 11.3 kilograms. Height at withers, 33 to 40 centimeters. Life expectancy, 11 to 15 years. Coat, sheds profusely. Fertility, 5 to 6 puppies. Keeping, experience required. Purpose, hunting, service, companions. 1. The Beagle constantly needs company and therefore does not tolerate loneliness well. 2. The Beagle is intelligent and flexible, all combined with stubbornness. 3. Beagles are often used in laboratories to research drugs, cosmetics, and detergents. Beagles are often stolen from their owners to be sold to research centers. 4. The main problem with Beagles is their loud barking, so be prepared for possible arguments with neighbors. 5. They gain weight easily, so they need regular exercise and proper feeding. 6. Beagles get along well with children and become a loyal friend to them. 7. Beagles are often used in laboratories for research of medicines, cosmetics, and detergents. Beagles are often stolen from their owners to be sold to research centers. 8. It is not recommended to keep a Beagle in the same flat with cats or small ornamental animals.